how to deactivate Facebook account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account within the Facebook app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up the Facebook app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. Once you do that, we need to open up the settings for our Facebook account. Now to open up the settings on an Android or a Samsung phone within the Facebook app, select the menu button in the top right of the app, and then just select the gear for settings. On an iPhone, it's a little bit different. All you need to do is in the bottom menu, select the little menu button right here, and then select the gear for settings. After that, it's exactly the same on Android and iPhone. All we need to do in the settings is select See More in Account Center, then scroll down a little bit under Account Settings and select Personal Details. Once here, select Account Ownership and Control, and then select Deactivation or Deletion. Select the account you want to deactivate, and then just make sure Deactivate Account is selected right here, and then select Continue. It'll then let you know some of the other items that'll be deactivated. If you use Facebook Messenger, that'll be deactivated, and then any pages or groups where you're the sole admin. So once you're ready, scroll down and select Continue. Go ahead and re-enter your Facebook password. Once you do that, it'll ask you why you want to deactivate your account. Go ahead and select one of these and then select Continue. We're then going to show you some remedies based on what you selected. Go ahead and select Continue. Then when we're on a Confirm Temporary Account Deactivation, scroll down and select Deactivate My Account. It'll then log you out of your Facebook account where it will look like this. And all we need to do to reactivate our Facebook account is simply log back into it. So once you log back into it, it'll reactivate your Facebook account. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.